So let's imagine we have an imaginary agency, and there's these questions that I want to answer, and I need the data from the reports to answer those questions. So we're going to go through each and every one of those questions and see how we can get the data in Productive. So let's say the first question that I'm asking myself is a very basic one, a very essential one at the same time. It's who from my team is out of office next week? So if you're managing time off in Productive, we can easily find that information out from scheduling. So to create an insight from scratch, you would just click here next to the insight library and create it from scratch. And the key information that you need to know is, where am I getting that data from? So if the out of office information comes from scheduling, then you should probably select the bookings as your data source. Here you will filter any time period you're interested in. So I'm interested in next week's data. I want to see who from my team has any time off booked next week. So the booking type that I'm filtering here is time off. I'm not interested in project bookings. I want to group this data by people to see who's off next week. Okay, so we're seeing exactly what type of category they have. Let's delete the project field here. What type of category they have next week, and when does it start and when does it end? So this is a great report, not only important to you as a manager, and most of the insights are for managers, to be honest. This is a report that everyone at your team should see. So let's see, let's create one, which is custom. Who's out of office next week? And I would add a description. So absences planned in our team next week. This is a report that I'll see for everyone, and I will add it to the insights category. You can add a category yourself by typing its name and creating it, or just adding it to one of these. I'll save this inside, and I'm going to tell you a little hack here. With a pulse, you can email this, for example, on the last day of the week. So weekly on Fridays for next week. And you can send this to your whole team, right? So even to people who don't have access to insights, potentially, but you want to share something with them, you can share it. So for example, I'm going to sell this to Maristela, Stan, Lucy, and Luke, because they are all members of my team. If there are no results, then don't send this pulse, okay? And you can format it in PDF, CSV, or Excel. I'm going to send this as a PDF. If it were some financial data with a lot of, numbers and stuff, I'll probably send it as Excel.